Hey guys, this is Corey Green. This is week 2 of AOC 2, and I'm here to show you my calculator application. And without further ado, here it is, Corey's Super Calculator app. The app got cut off, I'm not sure why, but here you can see my text field input, my buttons, my on-off switch, my plus, my minus, or my equals, clear, info, and these buttons down here actually change the background color. So there you go for that. When you click on the on-off button, it disables all input. So, yep, no input whatsoever. So you click on back, and the way that I did things with input is that each button holds 2 variables, but depending upon whether the plus button is enabled will decide on whether or not the second input is enabled. So basically, like if you go 1 plus 2, you aren't enabling the second variable until you've hit the plus symbol. So let me show you that. So you've got 2. Now the plus symbol is enabled, and then it will enable the second variable in the addition, so 3, and then you hit the equal sign, which makes it go to 5. So you clear that out. The clear button actually clears everything, clears all variables, sets everything to false again, and then it's back to default. Now let me go off on a different tangent here for just a second and show you what the info button does. So you click on that, brings up a second view, and it says program designed by Corey Green, and then you close that and it brings you back to your main view. So that is the user interface side of things, and let me go to the actual coding. So here you can see the view did load, and I'm setting just a few defaults here. The background color to white, plus enabled false, equals enables false. That's all default stuff. And then down here we can see what I'm doing for my switch, and I'm, if the switch is off, it disables everything. Switch is on, it enables everything. So that's that. Moving down here, we have our on-click event, which handles all the number inputs. And here for the tag, which is button number 1, it will say that if plus enabled equals false, which is the default, then it'll assign a number 1 to the first number variable if number 1 is pressed. And then after that's done, it says plus dot enabled equals true, and that sets the plus button to be enabled, so you can actually press on it. But it also keeps the equals button disabled. And then for the second click, after you've hit the plus button, it'll set the second variable to 1 and enables the equals button so you can use it, and then disables the plus. So I have that for every single button, every single one of my number buttons. So coming down here, we have everything else click, which includes my plus button, my equal button, my clear button, and my info button. And let's see. So my equal button is actually the one that has the calculation, but it doesn't know what calculation to do until you've hit the plus button. So the plus button actually sets operator value to 0, and if you wanted to do like multiplication or division, you would set this to something different to signify that you're doing a different operation. And then in your equal tag, you actually have a definition for operator value, which is addition. So it's right here. And then, so that's basically that. The info button will actually bring up a second view controller, which you saw, and on change button is my segment control, which includes all my different color backgrounds. So that's basically it in a nutshell, and I hope you guys enjoyed my little video. I will hopefully talk to you guys soon. Bye.